Class 2, Lesson 7. Tell me why. It's book exercise. First of all, tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. The girl always asks why. She asks why the flowers die, why the clouds dash the sky. Cross. Some of these words are not too hard. Now, filling the blanks. Why wood should swim and lead and marble sink? Why we eat and drink? Why makes the clouds? Why the flowers die? Now true false. Wood should drown false. Why lead and marble sink? True. Why the clouds sink false. Why the sun swim false. Why the sun is dark false. Match the column. Its number. Now very short answer. Who is asking the questions in the poem? A little girl. What is the thing that girl want to blow? Answer is girl want to blow. The wind should blow. What is the thing that girl want to shine? Girls want to shine the sun. Now short questions. What are the things in the poem that can swim and sing? The wood can swim and lead and marbles can sing. मतलब कौन सी चीज़ डूब जाती है, कौन सी तैरती है? तो जो वुड है वो तैरती है, लकड़ी तैरती है, और लीड और जो मार्बल हैवी होते हैं वो डूब जाते हैं. What she wants to know about the cloud? Now its answer is she wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Third question is what she wants to know about the flowers. She wants to why the flower die. About flowers. Now do you have any curiosity about nature? Answer is yes, I have curiosity about nature. I want know why only birds can fly, why stars come only in the night. Second, what other things you know about nature? ये आप अपनी मर्जी से लिखेगी. मैंने लिखा है डू योर सेल्फ, मतलब ये आप अपनी मर्जी से अकॉर्डिंग लिखोगे. Now write the three questions the girl is asking in the poem. Now answer is why lead and marble sink, why we eat and drink, why cloud cross the sky. Now it's book exercise. Fill in the blanks. The wherever necessary. The यहाँ पे भी द आएगा. द सब में द आना है. जहाँ फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स है.